Hello everyone, welcome to GV Reddy Automation World. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe to the channel, enable notification for more interesting videos. Right, we are continuing on Postman series. Right, all the introduction part we have completed. Right, anybody haven't watched, please watch them. Right, today we will start with the Postman. Postman first class. Right, if you want to start with, we have seen, what is the Postman, in first class I have explained, it will have a header, footer, and then left panel, and then we will have a sum. On the top we will have some menus. We will see one by one. First thing is, when we want to start with, directly we can click on this plus symbol and we can create the request. But what is the best practice we have to follow? First thing we will learn what is collection. First we have to start with the collection. We can create the collection either by clicking here plus symbol, or here we can create with the new. We can create with the new by clicking new. We can create all these things. Either workspace or whatever we want. Different. First we will see with the workspace. Either we can import, if we already have, we can also import it. What is an workspace? In Postman, workspace is a collaborative environment in Postman where users can create, manage, share API collections, environments, test cases. It allows teams to work together efficiently on API development, testing and documentation. Workspace means what? Like if you know, in our, suppose we want to manage our folders in our computer, we will create a folders. High level folder, suppose high level, our drive is called a workspace. Like in the drive, what we C drive, D drive, these are all called workspace. In D drive, C drive, again we will have a multiple subfolders. Those are all called collections. We will see. Workspace means a high level. We can maintain. Suppose I am working in a one team, we will create for the team one workspace. If you are working with another team, we can create another workspace. If it is the same team, same project, multiple teams are there, same workspace, we can create multiple collections or multiple workspace. Based on our discussion, how we want to follow, we can. Types of workspace we will have a personal workspace. In the Postman we can create personal workspace, private to you, used for individual API testing and development. You want to learn your own personal workspace, we create. Suppose you want to create for a team, you are working in a company for the team, then we will create a team workspace. That means entire team, we want everyone should work on that workspace. We will create a team workspace shared with the team members, enabling collaboration and API projects. Public workspace. This is open to Postman community. Entire Postman community, they are visible to, that is visible to them. Partner workspace. For collaborating with the external partners while keeping some data private. This is the partner workspace. If you want to work with some other company, we can collaboratively work. Key features of Postman workspace: organize and manage API collections efficiently, share API requests, responses, test scripts with the team members, maintain environment and variables for different test scenarios, enable real-time collaboration and version control, integrate with the CI/CD pipeline for automatic API testing. Then we will see just how to create. We can click on this plus symbol, or we can click on the new. Anyway we can create. Click on the plus symbol, click on the blank collection. Immediately, see immediately what is blank collection means, it is creating. Suppose I am creating some collection, my banking. It is a banking collection. This is one way. Then another way, we will just if we create directly clicking on the plus symbol, it is directly it is creating. It is not asking it is a private or public. We can click on new. we can click on the new workspace, right? It will come like this, right? You can select if you want to, right? API demos, explore our templates we can add it. If you don't want, just click on the next. Right, now it will ask name, right? I will write my workspace, right? I will create as a my workspace, right? Whether it is a internal build and test API within your team. Internal means partner only, I think only for licensed one. Partner we don't have access. Public, we can make it as a public, or here we can select everyone in our team or only invited people. Right, everyone in our team are only you and invited people. I will keep it as only you and invited people. My workspace. If you are multiple people in our team are working, we can write everyone in our team. We can select it. Right, then click on create it. Right, if we click on it, it will show, see, my workspace. Right, on top we can see what are the right workspace we have created. Right, now we are in my workspace. If you have multiple workspace, it will show here multiple workspaces. Right, fine. Now then next one is right collection. Right, next one is the collection. Under workspace we will have a collection. A collection in Postman is group of API requests that are organized together for better management, testing and automation. It helps developers and testers efficiently structure and execute API requests. Right, organized API request group related to API endpoints. Right, collections means what? Like a grouping our APIs. Right, if we have 100 APIs, right, which group it will come? Right, a login collection, user management collection, payment collection. Right, we can create multiple collections. Use environment variable for dynamic request execution. Right, automated testing. Write test scripts using JavaScript to validate API response. Collection runner. If we create the collection means we can run the entire collection at a time. If we create one by one, we cannot execute all. Right, if we create a collection, there is a possibility of execute maybe entire regression. Right, if you want to run entire regression, we can create a collection, we can run it. Right, collaboration and sharing. Right, if we create one more advantage, collection. If you want to share only that collection, we can share it. Right, integrate with the CI/CD. Right, now how to create a collection? Right, we can just right, workspace one is once created, we can click on, we are under now workspace. Under workspace we will create the collection. Right, we can click either plus symbol or we can click on new. Right, here we can create a collection. Right, we can give the what is the collection name. Suppose I want to, suppose we can create a right any name, login. I want a login collection. Suppose if you want one more. Right, I want one more, just rename it, right, admin collection. Right, multiple collections. We can create under workspace, right, multiple collections. So that what is the purpose of it? So that we can easily, right, identify which APIs are under. Suppose I want to execute only login related things, we can easily execute it. Right, we can easily execute it. Right, run collection. Right, we can run this collection easily. Right, if we have everything under workspace, if we want to run only login, right, we cannot run only login, we cannot execute it. Right, that is the advantage. Whenever we have started any project, right, API in the Postman, create a workspace, create a collection. Right, follow the some structure so that later it will be very helpful. Later it will be very helpful. Initially maybe you thought only one or two. Later day by day you will increase API test case. Right, after 1 month you have a lot of APIs. You will confuse it. Right, you have to spend a lot of time to segregate it again. Right. Once we started, please start in a proper way. Right, then one more is folder. A folder in a Postman is a subgroup. Folder in Postman is a subgroup inside a collection. Again, right, collection can have multiple. Again, if collection has, it is increasing more, right, API calls, then we can, inside collection again we can segregate as a folders. Right, that will help to organize the API requests better way. That's it. What is the use of everything to maintain? Key benefits of using folders in Postman: better organization, shared prerequisites and test scripts, efficient execution, easier collaboration. Right. Workspace, why we are creating workspace and then collections and folders, that is to easy organization of our collections and sharing with the other members and execution. Right, it will be maintenance. One is the maintenance is very easy. Right, tomorrow if you want to clone it, we can easily clone entire folder. We can create one more thing, that is also an easy one. Right, right, then how to create the folder? Right, here in the collection, come to collection, we can create right, add folder. Right, add folder. In the admin, right, we can add different types of right, admins if we have. Right, suppose I will add admin 1. Right, like this we can add multiple folders. Right, inside again if you want, again we can also inside a folder, again folder we can add. Right, we can do whatever level, what level segregation we want, that much we can go and create it. Right, now fine. Now coming to, right, we will see what is JSON, these things in the right next class. Next we will stop here. Right, thanks for watching. If you liked my video, please subscribe to the channel, enable notification for more interesting videos. Please comment if you have any queries, suggestions, comment in the comment section. Please share to your friends and like the video. Thanks for watching.